Hey there, roller skating enthusiasts.
Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth product reviews.
Today, we've got something special for you. The PAPAISON roller skates, which claim to be the best roller skates outdoors on the market. We'll be diving deep into the features, quality, and user experiences to help you decide if these skates are the right fit for you. So, grab your favorite beverage, sit back, and let's roll into it.
First things first, let's take a closer look at the PAPAISON roller skates.
These skates are designed for both men and women and come in a classic high-top double-row style. They boast a deluxe 2-layer microfiber leather construction that not only looks great but also provides excellent durability. The skates are available in various colors, and we'll be reviewing the white ones today. Now, let's get into the key features that make these roller skates stand out.
Retro style. These skates embrace a classic design that offers more stability compared to inline skates.
They're perfect for beginners and those who want to learn roller skating with ease.
Ankle support. The PAPAISON skates feature a simple eyelet speed hook lacing system that allows for customization.
The 2-layer microfiber PU leather material provides breathability and ankle support, ensuring a comfortable fit during use.
2-layer microfiber leather. These skates are handmade with 2-layer microfiber leather that offers elasticity, strength, and a soft touch.
They are both comfortable and breathable, ensuring your feet stay happy while skating. Stability control. Equipped with an aluminum base plate, these skates are designed for easy control and turning. They also provide a good grip and a quiet skating experience, making them a reliable partner on any skating adventure.
Ideal gift. Not just for adults, these skates make an ideal gift for kids, teenagers, and adults alike. Their fresh and fashionable design is sure to turn heads and bring joy to any skating enthusiast. Now, let's dive into the nitty-gritty details.
The skates come with a BEC7 carbon steel bearings and 54 by 32 mm 85 APU wheels for a smooth ride. They are available in various sizes, so make sure to check the size chart to get the perfect fit. The package includes a pair of PAPAISON roller skates, and a warranty option is available for added peace of mind.
To give you a well-rounded perspective, let's take a look at what customers are saying about these roller skates.
The skates have received an impressive average rating of 4.6 out of 5 stars from 955 global ratings.
Customers appreciate the comfort, quality, and true-to-size fit of these skates.
Some users noted that they are perfect for beginners and provide great value for the price.
And there you have it, our comprehensive review of the PAPAISON roller skates, hailed as the best roller skates for outdoor adventures.
With their retro style, ankle support, and stability control, they seem like an excellent choice for both beginners and experienced skaters. If you're looking to hit the streets or the rink with style and comfort, these skates might just be your perfect match. Don't forget to check out the size chart to ensure the right fit for your feet.
That's all for today's review on Product Critique.
If you've enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please hit that thumbs up button, and don't forget to subscribe for more product reviews and recommendations. If you have any questions or would like to share your experiences with these skates, leave a comment down below. Until next time, keep rolling, stay safe, and have a blast on your skates. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next episode.